Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 21st of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see here is Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Hierophant. Now person B here, their first card is 8 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, and 5 of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have Queen of Pentacles, which means that both of you or at least one person in this relationship is doing really well for themselves financially and may also be enjoying the luxuries of life. Now from the first set of cards I see you have Queen of Cups and Queen of Swords. Now Queen of Cups is the energy where you want to receive love. That's feminine energy where you want to receive love. You want to feel that love and affection from this other person. Queen of Swords is the energy where you want to have a very honest conversation with them. Maybe there's something that you want to talk about, something that you did not discuss with them. And the third card here is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy, which talks about marriage and commitment. Now for person B, the first card is 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles means that this person realizes that there's a lot of hard work which needs to be put in this relationship in order for this relationship to work. The second card is 8 of Cups, which means that they will walk away from something. For some of you, it could be that this person will realize that there's too much of work that they have to put in and they might not be ready for it. Okay, so they will walk away. And for others, it could also mean that this person will walk away from something else because they realize that it's not adding value to them. Now the third card here for this person is 5 of Cups, which means they'll feel a little sad, hurt, okay. They might also feel that there's nothing that they can do to revive this relationship for some of you, but there is always that possibility to go ahead and do it, because in the traditional Rider-Waite tarot, if you look at the 5 of Cups, it means that there are still those 2 cups at the back which is still standing. So you always have the option to go ahead and revive the relationship provided you put in the effort. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is Page of Wands, Ace of Cups, and Temperance card. Now Page of Wands is immature energy. Page is immature, and with Wands it talks about physical attraction, passion, sex. So it is something where a person is just looking at, having a good time, but there's nothing serious that they want right now. The second card is Ace of Cups. This eventually moves to a little more mature energy. Ace is a new beginning and it's based on emotion. So this person may eventually move to that energy where they want to go ahead and emotionally connect with you and have a new beginning. And the third card is Temperance, which is a positive card here. It says that they realize the importance of balance in this relationship. Now with this, we'll quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for all of you. So the message that I see here is have faith in your dreams. So you need to believe in your dreams, have faith, because if you have faith, that's when it will come true. With this, we'll also quickly see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is tree agate. The crystal message is, are you a tree hugger or activist? Take the time to sit beneath a tree and connect with the qualities of a firmly planted roots, its ability to flex and bend in a storm, and its amazing power of growth. Remember your roots, yet always remember how much you can grow to reach great heights. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Thuriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.